Welcome to our basic tutorial on how to use our Chippy Catcher templates. These were designed to make selecting the best sizes for your project nice and easy. Obviously come in a little tag and hang off your desk or whatever. It's made of the same material as our Chippy Catcher itself. Inside there's your 9 different sizes to scale, to 1 to 100 scale. All marked the size and everything on them, each one. Which can be laid across the plan, which we'll show you how to do now to work out the most economical and best way to cover each actual project. So I'll start with just a real basic one, real simple. First and foremost, when setting up to do a Chippy Catcher takeoff using our templates, you must first ensure your plan scales to the 1 to 100. This one's 7.2 by 15.1, so obviously 7.2 centimeters or 72 millimeters, and the same thing 15.1 meters on this one. Obviously it's going to be 15 centimeters, 0.1. So just ensure that first, because if you don't, it can backfire on you. So look at this one, pretty simple. We'll take an 8 by 16 on this one. As you can see, nice and simple. Start from one corner. There's the guys with on site. That's how to lay out. We'll try another one there. A little bit more involved, not too much. Look for similarities in a plan and nice lines that could be worked to for joins over with sheets. Quite often we'll take an 8 by 12 for a start, because it's got the 2 dimensions of our sizes, 2 main dimensions, obviously the 12 meters and the 8 meters, and just lay them across the plan just to get a bit of a gauge on how it can work. Obviously 12's going to work along here, 10's, thinking we'll just grab a 10, but a 10's obviously going to be too short, yes it is, so 12's going to fit across that dimension, something like that. We could try on start from a corner, because that's how the chippies will do it on site. We could lay a 12 by 16 on this one, without too much problem. We are short at one end, which we would need to put a joint in, but apart from that, it works. It's got a bit of wastage, so we'll just see if we can configure another one. Try and use our 10 meter, see if our 10 meter can work in a dimension as well. And it looks like these 2 lines here work good for a 10 meter. So that looks like they might obviously start at a corner. That's going to work out alright. We get a bit of an offcut here, but we can always hang on to that for the next one. It's not a big deal. Now we've just got to cover this area here. Try an 8 by 10. It's not really going to work too good and be a fair bit of wastage, so we'll take the next one down, 8 by 7, and see if that'll work. It's obviously working here. It's possible that we could make it do that way. This off cut could go in here. Alternatively, we run this down this way here. What we use, a little highlighter pen or something similar. And wherever you're using offcuts, you can lay that on and draw over it where the cut is likely to be, like so. Show the bit that's used, and that then can be laid over to see if it'll fit on another area. So it'll fit over this one quite nicely, and it can just rub off. So yeah, good little tool to have. So we'll lay this job out. Start from your corner, start from this corner here for argument's sake. And we'll just go around our plan, our template I should say. It's a 12 by 10. Take our 8 by 7. Starting from an outside corner again. We'll just trace around that one. We'll show where it will need to be cut. Eight by 7, and we'll go off cut. We'll call this off cut A, and that will obviously go over here. show you how this is going to work. Like so. We'll call that A. So by doing a take off like that, you've done it, you worked out your size, that then can go onto site, and the guys on site will know exactly how to lay it out.